Now in this video we will discuss stratified random sampling method. See, this is the second example in which we have to use stratified random sampling method. So strata means group. Whenever our population is not homogeneous, that is heterogeneous, in that case we have to use stratified random sampling method. See, this is the example in which we have three stratas, means strata A, strata B and strata C. So strata means group. If you take A as arts, B as commerce and C as science, these are the three streams, and there are 100 students from strata A, there are 200 students from strata B means commerce, and there are 300 students from science stream, and we have to draw a population of size 30. So how many samples should be included from arts, from commerce and from science? So that is the question of debate. To solve such example, we need to find out the strata size, and on the basis of that strata size we have to take a random sample. See this example. So just I am reading this example. In this example we have three strata A, B and C, in which the population size is 100, 200 and 300, and a researcher wants to choose a sample of size 30 from an entire population. So obtain how many units are to be selected from strata A, B and C. Using random numbers, draw random samples of above sizes from strata A, B and C. So how to solve this example? See, what is our aim in this case? Our aim is to generate a required sample size from the population strata size with stratified sampling technique. This is our aim. So what are the statistical tools? Statistical tools is stratified sampling method. So what are the required formula? See, these are the required formulas. Ni is equal to capital Ni divided by n multiplied by n for all I equal to 1 to k. K is nothing but the number of strata. And what is this capital N? Capital N is summation of Ni. So what is the data source? Data source is provided in practical sheet. So what we have to do in this case? See, in first strata there are 100 students. In second strata there are 200 students. And in third strata C there are 300 students. So the total number of students are 600. So what we have to do, since I have 600 population size, so from this 600 I want to see, this is 600. From this 600 I want to take a random sample of size 30. So what is the composition of this 600? 600 is divided into 3. One is 100, the second one is 200 and the third one is 300. Now the question is, so I want to take a sample of size 30, but how many should be included from this strata A? How many should be included from B? And how many should be included from C? So we need to take the equal proportion from these three strata A, B and C according to their population size. How to do that? See, the data is this. The sample size required n is equal to 300 from this entire population. So what is the procedure? The procedure is, first we have to calculate the required sample size from each strata. How to calculate this? So to calculate this we need to use this formula. So what is that formula? Na is equal to capital Na divided by n into 100. So means there are 100 is the population size of strata A. The total strata population size is 600 and I need 30 from these total 600. So now the equation becomes 100 divided by 600 into 30. So that is equal to 5. From strata B, what is the strata size? Is 200. The total number of population size is 600. So 200 should be divided by 600. into 30. Why into 30? Because the required sample size is 30. So that becomes 10. So likewise from the third one, so the strata size is 300. The total size is 600 multiplied by sample size is 30. So that becomes the value 15. So therefore 30 should be divided as 5 from A, 10 from B and 15 from C according to their strata size. So now I know how many values that I require. So that means 30 should be divided into 3, 5, 10 and 15. So the second step is related with the rand between function. Use rand between function to take a random sample of size 5 from the strata size. How to use this? For strata A, rand between function is 1, 100. So why 1, 100? Since the strata size is 100 and we can take the values from 1 to 100 to get a random sample of size 5. So when I use Excel sheet and use this Excel function, so see this I am getting. So what is I am getting? So draw numbers are, so these are the drawing numbers. So just I need 5 values, and what are those 5 values that I am getting? First value is 50, second one is 7, 95, 47 and 93. So the second one for strata B. For strata B, I am using the function as rand between 1, 200. Why 1, 200? Because the strata size for B is 200. And how many sample I required? 10 sample I required. So these are the 10 samples that I am getting. Use rand between function 1, 200. Enter the first value I am getting and drag this up to 10 so that I am getting 10 values. And what about the third strata? In third strata, C requires how many values? So that requires 15 values and the total number of strata size is 300. So use rand between function 1, 300. Enter this value and we are getting the first value. Drag it up to 15 so that I am getting 15 values. And what are those 15 values? See, these are the 15 values. 77. The first one is 77. The next one is 191. See, this is 77, 191, 1, 254, 179 and this is the 14th value is 60. Likewise, I am getting 15 observations. These are the 15 random samples. So what is my result? So my result is, if you see the question, in the question there are two parts. So in the first part, I obtained how many are to be included from strata A, B and C and using random numbers, draw random sample of above sizes of strata A, B and C. So how many number of units selected from strata A, B and C are 5, 10 and 15. And what are those observations? See, these are the observations. Random samples of size 5 from strata A is given by this. So this is as far as strata A is concerned. This is as far as strata B is concerned. These are the values and these are the values as far as strata C is concerned. Write down the values in increasing order. So this is all about stratified random sampling method. In the next video, we will discuss systematic sampling method. Till then, goodbye.